Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I've been getting asked a question. I was getting asked this question like every so often, but now I'm beginning to get asked this question often. And the question is how long did it take me to get rid of bed bugs? Now, it's not about how long it took me, it's about taking action. The sooner you take action, the sooner you can get rid of them. There is no time frame to get rid of bed bugs because it's a whole bunch of different things that come into play. How many places could be nesting in your home, how long you've had them, if you're actually, like I said, taking action. So taking action that's the best answer that I can give you. The sooner you take action, the sooner you will get rid of them. The time frame, there is no time frame. So what you want to do is you just want to follow the videos. I have a playlist of over 50 videos, all dedicated to how to get rid of bed bugs. Different things you can do, different places you can search your home to see if they're nesting, things that you can use so far, like diatomaceous earth, steam, alcohol in very rare cases, and things of that nature. So the best answer I can give you is there is no time frame. There is no time frame. But taking action, you can get rid of them pretty quickly, all depending on the size of your infestation. So I hope that answered your question. If you have any other questions outside of this, then you can leave them down in the comments and I will answer them to my best abilities, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video.